Hello, doctor.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Khỏe.
Can I help you?
I'm feeling very tired.
What are your symptoms?
I have a stomach.
Um, how long have you had this symptom?
I just got it this morning.
Are you certainly taking any medication?
No,
Um, are you allergic to any medication?
no.
Ah.
Đây, đây.
So now I will give you a progesterone. It's a painkiller and antacid.
There is have any side express.
No, it's no side effect. You have to take 2 times a day and 2 tablets one.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Hello, doctor.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Khỏe.
Can I help you?
I'm feeling very tired.
What are your symptoms?
I have a stomach.
How long have you had the symptom?
I just got it this morning.
Are you certainly taking any medication?
No.
Are you allergic to any medication?
No.
So now I will give you the prescription. It's a painkiller and antacid.
Don't this have any side effects?
No, it's no side effects. You have to take 2 times a day and 2 tablets one.
Thank you.
Good night.